Hey guys, it's me, Teacher Emily. I'm going to do a quick tutorial for you on how I add bulk images into my playgrounds. So here I have my activity called Koala City 2, second edition, and there is a basketball court that I want to add basketballs into with words that I'm working on in my lessons. So then we can play with them, we can shoot them, say the words, just kind of manipulate the images. So the first thing I'm going to do is pop into Canva, which is where I get my images from, and I'm going to create a new logo project. The first thing I do from here is title this project, Basketballs. This is going to help me keep my images organized, and then I'm going to look for an element that I like. Here's a basketball. I'm going to resize the image to be about full screen in this space, and I'm going to add a text box. These are going to be some TH words, so the first one I'll do the. I want this to be a little bit larger. If I click on it, I can hit effects and give it a background so we can see it better. And from there, I can duplicate this. So because I want these images to be very similar. And from here, it gives me the option of titling the image. I'm going to title basketball, the. The next word I'm going to use is these. So I will title this basketball, these. Basketball, the, basketball, these. Let's do another one. How about basketball, those? So now we have 3 images that we can play basketball with inside of this activity. I have them all titled the same. The reason I do basketball first is because when I pop into the playground and I'm searching for these images, if I want all 3 of them, all I have to do is type in the filter basketball, and these will all line up together. I don't have to remember what they say. I know that they're basketballs, and they will all 3 pop up: basketball, the, these, and those. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and download them. I hit share, and then I hit download. These are going to be PNG images with transparent background. So I'm going to click transparent background and download them all together. So these download into a zip folder. I cannot put them straight into KoalaGo from the zip folder. I need to transfer them into another folder. So here they are in the zip folder. You can see that they are titled the way that I want them to be, but they are compressed images. So I'm going to select them all, and I'm going to drag them into a folder that I set for these images called basketballs. That's a new folder. When I drag them into this folder, you can see they're ready to use. From there, I can open up the images library in KoalaGo. I can select all of these images in my folder, and I can just drag them right into this tab where it says select images. Now if I go into the filter and I hit basketballs, all of these images that I want to use will pop up. Here we have the, these, and those. I did this one before and I don't want these images, so I can hit the 3 dots and delete. Okay, so now I'm done with that. I'll hit the X to here. I'm going to want them a little bit bigger, so I'll hit this plus icon. What you can do to make sure that they're all the same is hit the shift button and it will lock it into place. You can drag the next basketball and hit the shift button and it will lock it into the same place, and you can hit the plus icon again to make sure that they are exactly the same size. So shift, there we go, and hit the plus. All right, so you can place them nicely with the shift button also. Another thing that you can do from here is you can lock these and make them clonable. So maybe we just want to keep them up here and use multiples of these basketballs. That way, these will stay on the board and you can have multiple basketballs. You can continue playing a fast game of the, these, and those basketball. All right, so I have done this with up to 50 images, and I hope this video is helpful for you. I hope you guys enjoy my Koala City activity, and happy teaching!